Hello, in today's video we're going to look at the ViewFlex VF-K2. It's a small kit, ideal for travelling. The kit includes a tripod, a phone holder and a microphone, which is everything you really need to get started. Let's get started, let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, so what do we have in the box? So opening it up, straight away we have a like a canvasy bag, quite large. You'd be able to fit everything in there. And of course you've got full instructions on how to put it all together, and some of the specifications of it. Then we have the fur style filter. This will be useful if you're recording outside in the wind. You've got a TTRS to TRS cable. You use this for most phones. The grey side goes into your device and the black side goes into the back of the microphone. Got a smaller pop filter, which is what you'll hear me using now. And this is the phone holder, and it's adjustable, as you can see. It's all of metal construction. It's quite weighty actually. And you can turn this red screw on the back to adjust the angle. And of course this is quite easy to turn at the bottom here. This is the tripod. The legs are plastic but the top is of a metal construction. Similarly quite weighty. It's obviously a standard screw mount for a DSLR or whatever you're going to screw on the end there. This is the microphone mount. So it just clips into these two fittings. It's obviously got a bit of bounce to it, so take out any vibrations. And it screws onto a standard hot shoe or a standard fitting. Then we have the microphone itself, once again of metal construction. And obviously most of the sound goes in through the front. You've got a jack port on the back. The mount just clips over these guides here, and that's it, set up. Then obviously you can fit whatever pop filter you want just on the end there. So to put it all together, I've got all the parts here laid out. The black end of the cable is to be fitted into the back of the microphone. And the grey end will go to whatever device you're using to record with. So the cold shoe simply slots into the top there, and you screw the thumb turn down to hold it in place. These obviously stretch out, ready to put a phone in. I'll put you simply screw it into the smaller of the two holes. The larger hole is for a different type of mount. Good to have both options. And then just push the legs out to the position you want. So I've got quite a large phone. It's about 80mm in width, including the case. I'm just trying to make this as big as possible, which is about 3 inches or so. I don't think you get many larger phones than that, especially with me keeping the case on, but that fits in there nicely. No issues at all. And there's still space to put it further. So on the back, you can obviously tilt the angle quite easily. And then by using the screw, you can adjust the angle, as I said before. So what do we think of the VF-K2? It's all of metal construction, so you can feel the build quality in the whole thing. As I show you putting it all together, you can see you can fit virtually any phone in there. I think you can fit a small tablet in there, or like a note size phone. I don't see any problem with it fitting a phone in. Given that it's got the standard type mount at the bottom, you could always fit any style sort of camera or DSLR onto that if you needed to, which is an always handy thing to have if you're upgrading later on down the road. Yeah, I'm obviously not showing you the microphone on the top here because I've got it recording me now. It comes with an assortment of different pop filters and things like that, which is always good if you're going to be recording outside or where there's wind or anything like that. And a decent little carrying case, which is always a plus. So yeah, overall, a good little kit, probably ideal for anyone starting out. But yeah, hopefully you can hear in the video how the sound is. It's a good quality sound, quite bassy again, and very directional. I've got this probably about 3 feet away from me, so it's picking up my sound, my voice very well at distance. So yeah, overall a really good little kit and a nice little microphone to go with it. Hopefully if you've enjoyed this content, we've got plenty more videos about microphones and things. I'll link to it at the top somewhere. If you've liked this video or it's helped you in any way, why not like it? That helps us a lot. And there'll be plenty more videos like this in the future about different microphones and different equipment for making video content. So why not subscribe, and then you'll be able to see more of our videos in the future. If you've got any questions about the product, please stick them in the comments and we'll try and answer as much as we can. Other than that, thanks a lot.